Now I know what I'm gonna wear when I go to see Wicked. Isn't this fabulous? Hey guys, so this is the face of a girl that somehow completely did not film the intro for her video, so sorry about that. However, the thrift finds were way too good to not show them, so just enjoy this. Let's pretend like there's an intro. Also, if anyone is wondering where this store is, it's the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store in Stoughton, Massachusetts that my viewer Betty actually recommended, so shout out to Betty for the great recommendation. We will be back. Okay, I just walked through the entire store. It is definitely a treasure hunt vibes here. Like nothing is sorted by size, but I have my whole cart full of clothing and I'm gonna try some things on to show you the things I found. So the first thing I found is this trench coat. I know I have so many, but I really like this one. I don't know if you can see all the detail here, but I might actually bring this home and swap one out because this one's pretty cool. And this is London Fog. This is awesome. The inside of it is lined. It feels like an even higher quality London Fog than the other one I have, so I might swap this one out. This is another trench coat that I found. It is so cute. The brand on this is Evan Picone, and I don't know if it's really picking up in the video, but it's actually more of like an aubergine eggplant color. Very pretty. It's polyester, so it's not a natural material, but I do really like the color in this. I do think the inside of this is wool lining too. This is another Evan Picone piece I found. This is a dress. I am obsessed with this sheer part here. This is definitely giving 90s vibes, but I love it. And it's velvet on the bottom. I found this crocheted skirt. I think this is handmade. It's really cool. I actually kind of like it over jeans. This is pretty awesome. It's a little bit worn in, like you can definitely tell it's ripped and people have like tied it, but I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't know, I don't really mind all the rips in it necessarily. It's pretty cool. This is another trench coat I found. I think it's too big, but I just wanted to show it because it's really well constructed and it has this amazing wool liner. And then it's just got really beautiful details on it, but too big for me, so I'm gonna leave it here. I found this nightgown and this is definitely coming home with me. Look at the details on that. It's got this beautiful little rose accent. Really beautiful. The brand on this is Innermost. So stunning. Okay, now I know what I'm gonna wear when I go to see Wicked. Isn't this fabulous? This is a vintage top with silk and beading on it and massive shoulder pads. It hooks in the back, which I'm having trouble doing on my own, but I really like this. And I kind of like wearing it the way I am now, like just with some jeans. It's super cute. Oh, I really like this vest. Wow, the colors on that are really beautiful. What do you guys think? I don't know if I would actually wear this day to day, but it's pretty cute. Oh my gosh, this is so fabulous. Look at this jacket. It still has the tags on it. The brand on it is Joseph Ribkoff, which I think Joseph Ribkoff is kind of a designer brand or like a more higher end label, at least from like the 80s or 90s. But this jacket itself, it doesn't feel super high end, but it looks awesome. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like this amazing collar detail. There's a little bow, and then it's got these cool buttons, very shoulder paddy. I feel like I'm definitely giving the Devil Wears Prada, but pretty cool. That's a maybe. Ooh, this is fun. This jacket is perfectly cropped. The brand on it is French Dressing. I have a whole entire sweater under here, so I feel like it looks a little bulkier than it actually is, but it's pretty cute. I think it's a linen blend, so this is nice. I love I love like the shape of it and like I love the collar detail here. I don't know if you can fully get the effect of this shirt because again, I have a whole sweater under it, but this is really cute. It's a size like 4 petite, so it's a little bit big, but I love the cut of it and I love these white stripes. I don't know if you can tell, but on the back there's like some staining on the shoulder. It's not that bad though, but I don't know, this is pretty cool. I feel like a fabulous bumblebee in this. Okay, I think this is the clear winner of the day. This is adorable. It's sort of I would call this a bolero jacket. It's kind of tapestry-esque, and then it's got this really sick hardware on it. This is definitely vintage. It says it's made in Texas, so I think it's sort of like Western wear perhaps, but That's really cool. I really like the neckline. I even like it with the turtleneck under it. That's super cute. Okay, I'm really struggling with this because this is a 100% wool sweater. I think it's made in Galway. It is like quite heavy, like great material, like super thick. The buttons on it are awesome. However, it has this pretty severe staining on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's right in here, and I don't necessarily mind that for myself, but I wouldn't sell something like this. I don't know if OxyClean could get that out, but it's a gorgeous sweater. I see why it's here now, but I do love it, and it fits perfectly, so I'm struggling on what to do. I also wanted to show this dress really quickly. I found this right at the beginning when I walked in, but it's so stunning. It's not my size, but I wish it was because it's beautiful and 100% silk. And the brand on it is Stenay. I couldn't leave the thrift store without trying on some of the fur coats, so this is a gorgeous white fur coat that is, I think, at least $200, but really warm and really pretty. Actually, there's no price tag on here, so I might inquire because that's pretty fabulous. I love the colors in it too. Wow, this coat is everything. Look at this belt on here. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I've ever seen a prettier coat before. Definitely not in the market for a $200 fur coat right now, but I mean, this is awesome. I saw multiple people in the thrift store and they were like, oh, are you a YouTube vlogger? And I was like, yes, I am, even though I'm not really. And then they asked me what my name was and I told them Thrifty Bitch and they were offended, so it's my name. I hope you guys don't find my name Thrifty Bitch offensive. I just think it's hilarious. Like, it's like, I'm a thrifty bitch, you know? It's not like, there's nothing deeper to it, but anyway, if I offended you, I'm sorry, but it's a hilarious name. Okay, I'm back in my car. I actually am leaving the thrift store empty-handed, and not because it wasn't an awesome thrift store. I just didn't find anything that, you know, was something I didn't already have. I go to the thrift store often, so my closet is full. I'm actually more working on trying to get things out of my closet than in. I would recommend checking out the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store. I thought it was really great. Betty, thank you for recommending it. I will definitely be back. Just wasn't a hit today. That's the name of the game with thrifting. Some days you find stuff, some days you don't. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed just looking at the stuff that I found. And I think the next video I'm gonna film will be when I'm visiting my parents. So it'll be a hometown thrift at my favorite thrift store. If you guys like this video, I would love if you could like it. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I've got to get home. I've got a date night with my husband in Boston. So anyway, hope you guys keep it cool, keep it thrifty, keep it bitchy. Bye guys. I'm a thrifty bitch.